Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Kev-In-Thailand in Spain still. Today we're going to go along. We're on the beach, and this over here, over there is Marina de la Torre. All hotels, apartments, and the golf course. Terrific golf course. Down there, all the way down there, you can see it now properly. That is Garrucha, fishing village, beautiful, some beautiful fish restaurants. And now the fishing boats, the fishermen are on their way back with today's catch, and it will go straight into Garrucha, into the fish auction. Beautiful marina there. We're going to have a look round, have a quick look at the auction. If you want fresh fish, Garrucha Mahaka Vera Playa has fresh fish by the boatloads. So let's go and have a look, and I'll show you a bit around Garrucha. And we're off into Garrucha. Absolutely, all the roads along the coast are stunning, stunning views. And here we come into Garrucha. If you like your seafood, this is the place. Tapas, bars, restaurants, absolutely beautiful. This building here, that's the auction house where all the fish come into. So hopefully we will be able to get parked and walk you around and show you around. So let's get parked. So here we are. We're at the auction. There it is behind us. The fishermen starting to come in, and they will be unloading the catch straight into the auction. You won't get fresher than that. These are the restaurant owners. There will be more parts of the catches coming in. Each basket will be a lot for the auction. Some of it's already peeled, filleted, and ready to go on the table as soon as it gets back. Hopefully you'll be able to see them unloading, getting ready to come into the auction. Some of it's they've been filleting and salting on the way back from fishing. Some of it's whole, but some of it has been cleaned up and filleted on the way back. More coming in now, they're all making their way in. It's going to be a busy auction. But if you want fresh fish, this is what you have to do. So as it comes in, the trays are loaded onto the conveyor belt, and people bidding. Is all on that screen. And they are using these to bid for the catch, the fish as they come through. They're not all holding mobile phones, these are little computers. They hit the button and they bid for it on the screen there. And it looks like they're making a film here also. So let's see if I can get it out before Spanish TV. So that's the fishing, the fish auction. The fishermen bringing the catch in every day from about 4:30. Unload it straight onto the conveyor, straight out the door into the restaurants. It certainly doesn't get fresher than that. I like fresh fish. I don't like the old stuff. Let's have a look around the marina here. Are you bidding? I don't see your little computer, eh? Are you bidding or you on the ponds? I'll bet you're on the ponds. He knows where his bread's buttered. Right, we'll go down to the marina, show you around there. This is all along the front of Garrucha. Let's get down to the marina part. So this is the marina area. It's not Porta Banús, there's no massive boats here. We don't want Porta Banús here. And that down the end there's the auction and the fishing boats. They have extended this here. This here used to be the end. And the Rincon del Porto, been here many years, many years. Excellent fish restaurant. I wonder why. But all this over this side, I'll be careful. All this is extended. Let's have a little look around. Well, we've just left the Marina part there. This is new. The other side is the Rincon del Porto, and all this here is all new. This road used to come down and round to the left and up along Vera Playa. So, all new restaurants and area. Shame there's no one here. So all this that you see now is all new. 9 years. I left here 2009. I was here for 7 years. 9 years has seen some changes. Certainly has. And nice for the better. Antonio, there's always one in there. Right, let's go up the top and see what's about. Just to show you, that's the auction house. That's the Marina and Port. That there, the beach, was man-made. They made it in 2006. I think they started work on it 2006. So that beach is man-made. And this is the road all along the front at Garrucha, at the Pattaya. And this is more real Spain. You won't get your Portabanuses and your Benidoms, your Torreviejas here. If you're looking to retire, you will not get a better area. That's for sure. So that's me done. Showed you Garrucha and the port. Beautiful, stunning. If you like fish, you won't get better. Anyway, hope you liked it. I'll see you somewhere else along here next. Bye for now. Bye bye.